Apple cider vinegar is a popular home remedy. People have used it for centuries in cooking and medicine. Many people claim it can relieve a wide range of health complaints, but you may wonder what the research says. Apple cider vinegar has various healthful properties, including antimicrobial and antioxidant effects. What's more, evidence suggests it could possibly offer health benefits, such as aiding weight loss, reducing cholesterol, lowering blood sugar levels, improving the symptoms of diabetes. However, little research exists, and further studies are needed before it can be recommended as an alternative therapy. This video looks at the evidence behind 6 possible health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Number 1. High in healthful substances. Apple cider vinegar is made via a 2-step process. First, the manufacturer exposes crushed apples to yeast, which ferments the sugars and turns them into alcohol. Next, adding bacteria further ferments the alcohol, turning it into acetic acid, the main active compound in vinegar. Acetic acid gives vinegar its strong sour smell and flavor. Researchers believe this acid is responsible for apple cider vinegar's health benefits. Cider vinegars are 5 to 6% acetic acid. Number 2. Can help kill harmful bacteria. Vinegar can help kill pathogens, including bacteria. People have traditionally used vinegar for cleaning and disinfecting, treating nail fungus, lice, warts, and ear infections. Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, used vinegar to clean wounds more than 2,000 years ago. Number 3. May help lower blood sugar levels and manage diabetes. To date, one of the most convincing applications of vinegar is helping treat type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is characterized by high blood sugar levels caused by insulin resistance or the inability to produce insulin. The most effective and healthiest way to regulate blood sugar levels is to avoid refined carbs and sugar. But apple cider vinegar may also have a beneficial effect. Number 4. May aid weight loss. Perhaps surprisingly, studies show that vinegar could help people lose weight. Several human studies show that vinegar can increase feelings of fullness. This can lead to eating fewer calories and losing weight. For example, according to one study, taking vinegar along with a high-carb meal led to increased feelings of fullness, causing participants to eat 200 to 275 fewer calories throughout the rest of the day. Number 5. Improves heart health in animals. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death. Several biological factors are linked to your risk for heart disease. Research suggests that vinegar could improve several of these risk factors. However, many of the studies were conducted in animals. These animal studies suggest that apple cider vinegar can lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels, as well as several other heart disease risk factors. Number 6. May boost skin health. Apple cider vinegar is a common remedy for skin conditions like dry skin and eczema. The skin is naturally slightly acidic. Using topical apple cider vinegar could help rebalance the natural pH of the skin, improving the protective skin barrier. On the other hand, alkaline soaps and cleansers could irritate eczema, making symptoms worse. Given its antibacterial properties, apple cider vinegar could, in theory, help prevent skin infections linked to eczema and other skin conditions. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button.